Today is a massive day for all of you looking to dive into the details of the upcoming Google Pixel 9 lineup. However, it might be a tough day for Google, as a flood of leaks has unveiled almost everything about their new phones. But fear not, because we're here to give you the full scoop. I'm Ayush, and if you're new here, don't be shy. Subscribe now for the latest tech updates. So, what's the big news? Well, thanks to OnLeaks, 91 Mobiles, and Android headlines, we now have detailed marketing materials and photos of the Pixel 9 series. Let's break down what we've learned. These leaks have spilled the beans on the specs, features, and colors of the Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, and the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Let's start with the displays. The Pixel 9 is rumored to feature a 6.3-inch display. The Pixel 9 Pro will have two versions, a 6.3-inch and a larger 6.8-inch model, likely the Pixel 9 Pro XL. As for the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, it will boast a 6.3-inch outer display and a massive 8-inch main display when unfolded. These screens promise to deliver stunning visuals and immersive experiences, especially with Google's focus on high-resolution displays. Now, let's talk about what's powering these devices. All models will feature Google's new Tensor G4 chip, ensuring top-notch performance and advanced AI capabilities across the board. However, there are some differences in RAM. The base Pixel 9 comes with 12 GB of RAM, while the other models will offer a hefty 16 GB. This means you'll get smooth performance and multitasking, whether you choose the base model or the premium versions. Cameras are always a hot topic, and the Pixel 9 series doesn't disappoint. The Pixel 9 will feature a 10.5 megapixel front camera and a dual rear camera setup with a 50MP wide and a 48MP ultra-wide shooter. The Pixel 9 Pro steps it up with a 42MP selfie camera, a 50MP primary lens, a 48MP ultra-wide, and a 48MP telephoto lens. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold, on the other hand, comes with a 10MP front camera and a versatile rear setup featuring a 48MP main camera, a 10.5MP ultra-wide, and a 10.8MP telephoto lens. And what about colors? Thanks to Avon Glass and Android headlines, we know the Pixel 9 Pro will be available in 4 stylish colors: porcelain, obsidian, rose, and hazel. These colors give you a well-rounded palette to choose from, ensuring your phone looks as good as it performs. With all these leaks, there seems to be little left for Google to reveal at their event on August 13. But we're hoping Google has saved some surprises for us. Will there be new software features? Maybe some accessories. We'll just have to wait and see. That's all for today's deep dive into the Google Pixel 9 leaks. What are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. And remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest tech news. See you next time.